Everybody, Jermaine Lead Monster still here, and you're watching this video because you probably typed into YouTube something to the effect of how to make money on OfferUp, right? And you're in the right place. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment on this video below. I'm about to give you guys some amazing value, and this is us out here in Punta Cana. I'm pulling up one of our videos because if you got some value, guys, I want you to not only like, subscribe, and comment on this YouTube channel, but for more videos and future updates on just different trainings, guys, I want you to add me on Facebook. I want you to add me on Instagram, Snapchat, fan page, right? Now, if you go into the apps and the links underneath these videos, any video you see on this channel, you're going to see the not only YouTube and all the social media, but you're going to see you can rent out your car on Turo like we do. We have several rental vehicles. You can invest in cryptocurrency. You can play games and make money, which I teach my kids. You can invest in Acorn, Stash, and round up your money when you spend money at a store. So basically, just a ton of different apps that we personally utilize, and we teach not only our clients, but we teach our kids as well, all right? But you're here on this video today after you've liked and commented, subscribed, because you want to learn how to sell on OfferUp, right? So I'm going to keep this really, really simple for you guys today. Keep in mind, we do have a community where if you do not understand totally, let's just type in best summer items to sell. If you don't understand totally how to do this on your own, we do have a community where for $19.99 a month, and you should see a link below for that. If you don't, reach out to me on Facebook. This is my Facebook here, and mention the fact that you saw this video, okay? And we'll get you into our community for $19.99 a month, and you'll be able to figure out and see exactly which products we're selling, exactly how to ship out items, and how to get past any little hiccups that you may have when it comes to selling on OfferUp. But the basic thing you want to do is let's look at some of the items to sell in the summertime. And I did a full training inside of our group, but for the people that are not paid members, I wanted to give you guys the gist of it because I do live in abundance, but I won't be sharing the products that we're personally selling today just because we have a couple items that are selling anywhere between 2 and 4 items a day, and we are selling those items for about $160, and we're getting them for $90. So keep in mind that you can drop ship and you can buy in bulk, and you can meet up with people. But for the drop shipping model, for people that don't have a whole lot of money to get started, this is a perfect model, okay? Is you list on OfferUp, you buy from eBay, and you ship direct to the customer. Now, if you're having issues once you get an order and you've listed at least 10 items, my commitment to you is I will help you make sales, all right? So reach out to me personally on Facebook, go to my video, click on my Facebook link and say, hey, Jermaine, I looked at your Offer Beast video. I haven't joined the paid community yet, but can you help me a little bit? I got some items listed and I'm not quite where I want to be yet, okay? So you're going to see here, hot dog inflatable float. That's probably someone selling personally. I don't see a lot of people selling on OfferUp yet, drop shipping, because not a lot of people have been taught this model. But I do see a few, and that's kind of what I'm looking for as an example. But if we can't find one, that's okay. You're going to need to list your items from your iPhone or your Android app, okay? You cannot list, if you click here, you'll see that it will not allow you to list online here, but you can continue browsing the website. So you need to have the video to show you how to list on OfferUp. I will give you that for free, but you will need to you will have to pay to get into our community if you want access to the list of items that we're selling, and you want access to being, having that personal touch, all right? So we're also teaching other things inside of the community like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, so on and so forth. So I don't see any items here as an example, but basically what we would do is, here's an example I used in my training, beer pong pool, and you would just find, like $15, $20. The lower items, you're obviously going to see a little bit more of a margin, but something like this, 15 bucks. Make them an offer for 13, buy it for 13, and put it on OfferUp for 30 or 40. Now keep in mind, you don't always have to buy this stuff, but if it's cheap enough and you think it's something that's going to sell, why not buy it? You can always sell it at a yard sale, or you can sell it somewhere else, right? So these backpacks, let's see, 3-pound outdoor. Let me check this out. This looks like a really cheap backpack, and maybe it's because that's the small one. That's probably why. The 30 liter, $13.99. That's a pretty big backpack for $13.99. anyhow, not to get off track. So you could sell those backpacks as well. There's another example that just popped up at me on the side. So the key is to list 10 items a day. If you've listed 10 items in a day for, let's say, 3 days straight, you've got 30 items and you're not getting any traction, reach out to me on Facebook, mention this video, mention Offer Beast, and I'll be glad to help you guys. But basically, you're going to save the pictures, right, from your phone. You're going to right click and you're going to save the image on your phone because you can't do it from the computer, remember? And once you click on that picture, you save the image to, your phone, obviously not your computer. Then you're going to go click on sell and you're going to just follow my steps on listing an item. And you're going to repeat that process. Why? Because you want volume to increase. You want to be able to have quite a few, listings before you determine that something doesn't work. We get a lot of people in e-commerce and they say, well, it's not working. Well, you just don't have the right amount of items, or you don't have the right items in general. So again, this is why you want to do things like looking up 10 best summer items to sell. There is the, what do they call these? Twinkle lights, for weddings, for parties, summer, barbecues. They've got the pool beer pong, which we just looked up. Summer dresses, obviously it's summer. Ice cream maker. People get hot, they want to eat ice cream. So this is something you probably could put on OfferUp for, $140. So a lot of these things people won't see offline are the things that you're going to want to list on OfferUp, guys. And keep in mind that as you start kind of mingling with people and chatting back and forth, you're going to realize that people want other things, and you have a profile here, right, on OfferUp, and that will show you everything that you're selling. So if you guys got some value, again, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, share, connect with me, go through all the valuable apps inside of this YouTube channel. You won't be let down, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.